Hello, this is Geoff with In-Depth Studies. Today we're going to look at Romans chapter 1, verse 18. Apostle Paul says, "The wrath of God is being revealed from heaven against all the godlessness and wickedness of people who suppress the truth by their wickedness. Since what may be known about God is plain to them, because God has made it plain to them." Now, what I want to point out is typically a question gets asked is, do we experience the wrath of God? Does the unbeliever experience the wrath of God anytime before the judgment, before they die and enter into eternity? And if they enter into eternity, there is eternal punishment. Therefore, they're experiencing the wrath of God forever. But we want to ask the question, what about this side of death? This side of judgment? And the answer is yes. Yes. Now, the Apostle Paul's argument is that the unbeliever is experiencing the wrath of God in a temporary, limited form, during their lives. And so here, the idea is the theme from Romans chapter 1, 18 to the end of the chapter is that God allows you to go deeper into your sin as a result of your unbelief. And so this being allowed to go deeper into your sin is a form of experiencing his wrath. So that's why in Ephesians chapter 2, unbelievers are called children of wrath. Now, it is also true that even though unbelievers are under the wrath of God currently and experience to some degree the results of being under the wrath of God now, they also experience the love of God, because in Matthew chapter 5 we are told to love our enemies because God loves his enemies, and he gives them their rain in season. So anything positive an unbeliever experiences is because they're experiencing the love of God. So, but in this context, Romans 1:18, unbelievers do experience the wrath of God before the judgment. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.